Alright, this is Pfeiffer Viz reporting in again, and this time we'll be breaking a box of Disney Lorcana into the Inklands. It features 12 cards per pack, and we'll see how many packs are in each box. Let's start the break. Let's see how we do this. It's my first Lorcana box. Let's see. There's a tab. Okay. Okay, that wasn't so difficult. Let's start breaking. Let's count the packs first. Got 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs in each row. So that's 24 packs in all, times 12 cards per pack. So let's start opening. If I can open it. Okay. Let's see what we have. Okay. We've got Peter Pan. If I'm not mistaken, each card has a 6-sided hexagon, and each side on the hexagon represents the level of rarity. Trying to find it. Anyway, we got Cubby, the Firebird, Repair, Chief Tui, Joshua Sweet, Wildcats Wrench, Nani, Kid Cloud Kicker, Tinkerbell, Helga Sinclair. Looks like we got a holofoil. Mama Odie. And 2 standard cards. Okay, next card. Okay. We got Magic Broom, Grandma Tala, Olympus Would Be That Way. We got Peter Pan. We got Cubby. We got Heal What Has Been Hurt. We got Captain Hook's Rapier. We got Trigger. We've got the Queen. We've got Cursed Merfolk. We've got Jim Hawkins. And a rare card, Neverland. And the 2 standard cards. Next pack. got Mona, Strike a Good Match, Magica Dispel, Distract. We've got Nottingham. We've got Mr. Snoops. Got Last Ditch Effort. We've got Tiana's Palace. We got Robin's Bow. Stratos. Heart of Atlantis. And the rare card is Eeyore. Let's open another pack. Let's see what we have. We've got the Queen, Kid Cloud Kicker, Olympus Would Be That Way, Bella Duck, I Will Find My Way, Cleansing Rainwater, Thaddeus E. Clay, I've Got a Dream, Kid Cloud Kicker, RLS Legacy, Piglet, and the rare card is Kid Cloud Kicker. Next pack. Alright. We've got Kakamora, I Will Find My Way, Magic Broom, Louie, Gizmo Suit, Miss Bianca, Cusco's Palace, Chernobog's Followers, Nani, Morph, Grandma Tyler, and the rare card is Webby Vanderquack. Next pack. Okay, we've got Magic Broom, King Louie, Robin Hood, Kakamora, I Will Find My Way, Orville, Mr. Smee, Slightly, Madanui, Minnie Mouse, Alice, and the rare card is Peter Pan. Next pack. Okay, we've got Milo Thatch, Jetson, Magic Broom, Grandma Tyler, Olympus Would Be That Way, Nikita, Star Key, Last Ditch Effort, Pluto, Mama Odie, The Lamp, and the rare card is Magica Dispel. Alright, next up, this is the last of this roll. Alright, we've got Magic Broom, Louie, Gizmo Suit, Milo Thatch, Jetson, Dalmatian Puppy, Nala, Sumerian Talisman, Genie, Maui's Place of Exile, On Your Feet Now, and the rare card is Lucky Don. Alright, let's get started on the next roll. Alright, we got Stitch, Milo Thatch, Forbidden Mountain, Rufus, Mickey Mouse, Miss Bianca, Hydros, Tinkerbell, Cusco's Palace, Mufasa, Jafar, and the rare card is How Far I'll Go. Next pack. Alright, we've got Pool, Vault Door, Eeyore, Stitch, Milo Thatch, Orville, Captain Hook's Rapier, Trigger, Flintheart Gloamgold, Peter Pan, Madame Medusa, and the rare card is DeVille Mountain. Alright, the next pack. Okay. We've got Billy Bones, Zazu, Lena Saberwing. We've got McDuck Manor, Minnie Mouse, Dalmatian Puppy, Chernobog's Followers, Nani, Starkey, Peter Pan. And we've got Lucky. And the rare card is Rafiki. Next pack. We've got the Firebird, Repair, Chief Tui, Mona, Strike a Good Match, Boss's Orders, The Bayou, Scroop, Scrooge McDuck, Huey, Ariel, and the rare card is Dive Bomb. Next pack. Okay, we've got Voyage, Flotsam, Bestow a Gift, Kick Cloud Kicker, Kita, Quick Patch, Magic Broom, Wildcat's Wrench, Prince John, Map of Treasure Planet, Captain Hook, and the rare card is Huey. Next pack. Okay, we got Magica, Dispel, Distract. We got Nottingham. We got Voyage, Flotsam. We got Neverland, Rise of the Titans, Dive Bomb, Dewey, Helga Sinclair, Little John, and the rare card is Cubby. Okay, next pack. We got Della Duck. We got DeVille Minor. We got Pua. We got Vault Door. We got Eeyore. We got Patch. We got Jafar. We got Rolly. We got Has Set My Heart. We got Blue. We've got the Queen's Castle. And the rare card is Repair. Okay, last pack for this roll. We've got Bestow a Gift, Kick Cloud Kicker, Kita, Della Duck, DeVille Minor. We've got Cleansing Rainwater, Simba. We've got Jolly Roger, Genie, Heart of Tefiti, Scrooge McDuck, and the rare card is Magic Carpet. Now we're on the last roll. Okay. We got Magic Broom, Repair, Mickey Mouse, Billy Bones, Skippy, Heal What Has Been Hurt. We've got Lethos. We've got Maui. We've got Scrooge McDuck. We've got Starlight Vial. We've got Magica Dispel. And the rare card is Flotsam. Alright, next. We've got Nutsy, Airfoil, the Firebird, Captain Amelia, Chief Tui, Mr. Snoops, Robin's Bowl, Magic Broom, Wildcat's Wrench, Treasure Guardian, Pyros, and the rare card is Heart of Atlantis. Alright, next. Okay, we got Pool, Vault Door, Helga Sinclair, Nutsy, Airfoil, Boss's Orders, Rise of the Titans, Dive Bomb, Flintheart Glomgold, Mona, Pongo, and the rare card is McDuck Manor. Okay, next. Some packs easier to open than others. We got Milo Thatch, Strike a Good Match, the Queen, Kick Cloud Kicker, Olympus Would Be That Way, Quick Patch, Prince John, Jafar, Rolly, Stitch, the Sorcerer's Hat, and the rare card is Rolly. Alright. A few more packs left. We've got the Firebird, Captain Amelia, Chief Tui, Milo Thatch, Strike a Good Match. We've got Neverland, Little John, Here, How Far I'll Go, Gyro Gear Loose, Simba, and the rare card is Peter Pan. Okay, next pack. We've got Della Dark, I Will Find My Way, Magic Broom, King Louis, Robin Hood, Patch, Has Set My Heart, Hydros, Tinkerbell, The Bare Necessities, Gustav the Giant, and the rare card is Milo Thatch. 2 packs remain. And some packs easier to open than others. We've got Billy Bones, Skippy, Pua, Voltor, Helga Sinclair, Joshua Sweet, Kid Cloud Kicker, Last Ditch Effort. We've got Tiana's Palace. We've got Audrey Ramirez, Mickey Mouse, and the rare card is Gizmo Suit. And our final pack of Disney Lorcana Into the Inklands. Last pack magic. We got Iago, Mage Marion, Gizmo Suit, Webby Vanderquack, Milo Thatch, Dalmatian Puppy, Nala, Sumerian Talisman, Scrooge's Top Hat, Pride Lands, Shinzi, and the rare card is Dewey. Alright, that concludes my break of Disney Lorcana Into the Inklands booster box. If you like the cards, check it